Melanie, look at mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. What comes after 5?
6.
What comes after 6?
It's
Well, you skipped 7, then 8.
9. 8, pieces.
Can you dance? Can you dance for everyone? Can you dance? Is Elmo going for a ride? Okay, Melanie, it's time to say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
No.
No? You don't want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
But no.